Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. Today, I'm going to show you how to create Paxful account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser of your choice. Go to the official website of Paxful by typing in www.paxful.com and search. You'll end up in the official web page of Paxful, which looks like this. Paxful is a peer-to-peer exchange platform founded in 2015 by a group of engineers with the purpose of making Bitcoin more accessible. The site enables a direct exchange where cryptocurrency buyers and sellers may meet and interact with one another. From the main homepage, click the register button in the top right-hand corner in order to sign up for Paxful. To create your account, you can either choose phone number or email tab from the top. If you choose email, you'll need to type in a valid email address and create a new password for your account. If you want to type in the phone number, make sure to click on Phone Number tab. Select your country from the drop-down and then type in your phone number followed by a password. I'm going to use email in today's video. Type in your email address. While typing in an email address, make sure to enter the email address that you have an access to. Now, head over to the next field and create a password for your Paxful account. While creating a password, make sure that your password is at least 8 characters long, with the uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and one special character, and also one numerical character. Once you create a password that matches the criteria, you should see a green line highlighted right beneath your password box. Finally, click on Create Account. Complete the verification puzzle, and your verification is successful. On the next page, you'll need to verify your email address. Simply go open a new tab, open up the email service provider that you used while signing up for Paxful. Open up the same email inbox and you'll receive an email from Paxful. Click open the email and then copy the code that you received. Type in the code into the text box. Wait for a few seconds. Now you'll also need to verify your phone number. Simply select your country code from the drop-down and type in a valid phone number. Click on Send Code in order to verify your phone number. You'll receive a confirmation code sent to your mobile number. Simply wait for the code. Once you enter the confirmation code, you'll be taken to a next step. Once you verify the confirmation code, you'll be taken to this page over here. You can take a quick tour for Paxful by clicking on the next button right here, and that is how you can easily open up or create a new account for Paxful. This will be your home page where you can buy and sell crypto according to your choice. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.